Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of website planning and creation. And in this video of ours, we would be understanding everything about e-commerce. So till now you have learned everything how to make a website with the help of one of the very popular DV builder. So you can make a very good blogging as well as any other portfolio websites using the DV. Now in this video, I would be talking all about how you can convert your website into an e-commerce website. So one of the most popular plugin which is used to convert any WordPress website into an e-commerce website is WooCommerce. So what you need to do is you need to simply go to the plugin section of your WordPress. And in the plugin section, the first thing that you need to find is WooCommerce. So spelling of the WooCommerce is WOOCOMMERCE. So for me, I have already installed the plugin, so I need to install the plugin. But for you all, you just need to go to the plugin section and just install the WooCommerce plugin. Once you have installed the WooCommerce plugin, you just need to follow the steps, provide all the details, whatever they are asking you for. And once it is done, so you'll be finding two additional options as you can see in front of me, that is of WooCommerce and products. It's not necessary to provide the accurate details at the time of initial configuration of WooCommerce because you can change all the settings even further when you have installed the plugin. So if you need to make any changes after the installation of the plugin, you just simply need to go to the WooCommerce sections setting. As you can see, just simply click on the setting and you'll find all the same options which was earlier there, which you wanted to kind of set again for your store or for your products. So all the options are available out here already. So right now I won't be diving down into these things. So first what we need to understand is how to make a product with the help of WooCommerce. So in order to make a product or any kind of services product, we need to go to the product section. And as I'm hovering the mouse over product, I can see few options. That is all products, add new categories, tags, and attributes. So because this is the first time that I'm opening the WooCommerce, so I need to add new. I need to click on add new because I need to add a new product. In case if I wanted to see all the product that I have already made, it's just like a page or post where you can see all the posts or all the pages. So I can simply click on all products and check all the products that I have made till now. So now let's go to the add new option and make a new product. So let's click on add new. So once I've clicked on add new, a new interface will open in front of me where all the details of the products or whatever stuffs I needed to make would be coming in front of me. So if I talk about product, so basically there are two kinds of product. That first is a simple product and second is a variable product. Apart from these two, we can even make virtual products. That is, if I want something to get downloaded or something I want the users to download or subscribe to and stuff like that, I can very easily make with the help of by clicking the activating the option of virtual and downloadable product. So we would be covering all the kinds of product one by one. So first thing that we need to do is we need to make a simple product. The difference between simple and a variable product is that if there is any variations in the product, then it is called as a variable product. For example, suppose if I'm making a product as t-shirts and I'm having a variation something like in terms of colors or sizes or in terms of like sleeves, like it was half sleeve or full sleeves, or in terms of colors like red, blue, yellow, green. So what is happening? For a same product, there are multiple variations. Like for example, if I'm trying to sell a pen drive, so it can be of the variations can be in terms of capacity of GB, like how much GB the pen drive is of. So basis on that only, if a product is having multiple variations, then it is called as a variable product. And if a product is having no variation, then it is called as a simple product. So let's just start with a simple product. So let me give the name to my product as simple product one. A simple product one. So this is the name of the product. So the name of the product is basically the name by which a user might search your product. For example, if I'm trying to sell an iPhone, so obviously the name of my product would be iPhone. So I won't be simply naming the product as iPhone because people might search iPhone with different sizes or colors or stuff like that. So you need to be very sure in terms of product name, right? So by keeping that into consideration, suppose that you have given the name of your product. Now what you need to do is you need to give a short description. The short description basically means about the product, about its features, about its combination specifications and everything. Whatever a product is made all about, you just simply need to write out here. So I'd be writing a small product descriptions so that whenever a user is coming down to see my product, he can find the description and even understand what is this product all about. So let's just write a small description. Right, so I've written a one line. So what I'll do, I'll just copy the whole line and I'll just paste it quite a few times so that it looks like the description is filled. So now the description looks pretty filled. Let's slide down and now I need to select the product. So by default, the first product that is selected is simple product only. If you need to change the product type, you could just simply need to click here and change the product. Now, after selecting the type of the product, I need to mention the regular price and sale price. So suppose the regular price of my product is 100,000 rupees and I am selling it in 900 rupees. So my product is on discount. After providing the price, you can even schedule that from when till when this sale price is present. Like you want the sale price to be in festive seasons or in any specific duration. So you can set the date and time from when till when the price of the product will be 900. Moment this date is over, the price of the product will be again back to 1000 rupees. So once you have done this, we need to go to the second option, that is inventory. Now in inventory, the first option that we can see in front of us is SKU, that is stock keeping unit. So stock keeping unit is basically the code which can be given to a product. Like many times there is a small code which is present in a product by which you can identify or by which you can recognize what is this product all about. So if you wish, you can give a code so that you can recognize it in future, or else if you leave it blank, the WooCommerce will automatically give a code to this product. After that, we need to manage the stock. So I'll simply click on this manage stock option. Out here, we need to supply what is the stock quantity, like how many pieces of this product is available with me. Suppose I say I'm having 10 in number. Okay. Suppose I'm having 10 in number. So by mistake, just by scrolling the mouse up and down, the number was changing from 10 to other numbers. Now, after that, the second option is back orders. So the back order basically mean that you are allowing the users to book the product or to purchase the product even when it is not in the stock. So this is something that you can opt Suppose many times you might have seen when you're trying to go to purchase certain elements like a refrigerator or a large appliances, basically in a shopping mall or in a shop, they say that currently the product is not in stock, but you can build the product and it will be delivered within a few days. So that booking of the product, even when the product is not in the stock, is called as back order. So if you wish to allow the users to purchase the product even when your stock quantity has gone zero, that is called as a back order. So we generally do not allow this back order because it might make your work very tedious. Like you need to maintain a lot of efforts and lot of database so that whenever there is a replenishment of the product, like whenever the new stock arrives in your inventory, the first you need to allocate to all the back orders, and then only the rest of the number of products should be displayed on the website. So if you think that the back order option can give you a better result in terms of sales, so yeah, do allow it. Else, do not allow. So threshold means after which it will give you an indication, like after which it will show you that your account has gone to a low status. So you can click or you can maintain a low threshold level. And suppose that if you want to restrict that one product should be purchased by one user only, so you can make this thing as sold individually. And many times you might have seen if you're trying to book a software or anything, it allows key from one ID only one person can purchase. So similarly, if you want to also have it, so you can also enable it so that if a person have already purchased it, then next the same article can't be purchased from the same login ID. Either the person need to change the login ID or they need to change the product. So as of now, I'm leaving it blank. So for a simple product, these two data was sufficient. These all data are not required for the sample product. I mean to say simple product. So once I have mentioned all these things, I just need to simply scroll down and I need to write the product short description. The product short description is used to show the highlighters or the pointers or the USP which is present out there, right? Suppose it is made of pure cotton or it is whatever is the USPs which separates your product from your competitor's product, that can be written out here. So I'll write a few short description of the product to make it look better. So let me just write the short description. So I've written just 4 points to fill the area. So this has nothing to do with the product. So this is just a descriptive, a kind of a small elaboration of how the section would look when it would appear in the front section. So once we have done with this, now we need to select the options which is present on my right hand side. Now comes the product category. So basically the category means under which category the product is falling. So that whenever is people are selecting that category, all the products under that category might appear. Like suppose if you're selecting electronic category or a mobile category, so whatever product are there in the mobile, everything or electronic, everything will come in front of you. So I'm trying to make this product, or the description of my product is something related to fabric and skin. So I was writing all this description, keeping in mind that this is a t-shirt or stuff like that. So you can make a new category. You can see Ideally, when you'd be making or doing it for the first time, you'll only see uncategorized. You won't see anything else out here. So in order to add a new category, I can simply click here, add new category, and I'll write t-shirt. Moment you've written t-shirt or anything, whatever you want to write, just simply hit enter. The moment you'll hit enter, you can see the t-shirt is appearing out here. Now, under category, if you want to write a subcategory means, like suppose under electronics, it is mobile, under mobile, it is smartphone, under smartphone, it is under the category of Samsung. So you can categorize and subcategorize even. In order to create a subcategory, like I will say this is t-shirt and its subcategory is men t-shirt it is. So if I need to make this subcategory, I'll write out here men. Suppose I need to write a men, and I want to make this subcategory of t-shirt. So from here drop down, I'll select t-shirt. I'll again go to men, I'll click there and it'll hit enter. So now you can see the men section is appearing a little bit right of the t-shirt, which shows it is the subcategory, the men is subcategory of the t-shirt as a primary category. So this should appear on the website or on the product of ours. Now product tag basically means the small words that might be related to it, and even this product tag helps in SEO. So strategically, you can think of those one or two words or whatever words you think that can be relevant to your product. Suppose I'll write out here t-shirt, hit enter, right? Organic or whatever I think. I just need to write the words and hit enter, so it appears something like this. You can add as many categories you want to add inside it. Now, post that is your product image. So product image means the image of the product by which that would be appearing on the your e-commerce page. So let's add a product image. So you can add the product either by downloading, or even if you're having certain product, you can simply upload that out here. So let me search any random image out here that I can use it for the product. Suppose I want to use this image. Suppose I want to use this image as my product image, right? Let me see if there is any good image. Okay, fine. I'll use this one as a product image. So I've selected this as an image and click on set product image. And after that, you can even select the product gallery. That is, gallery means just below this product, you can see many times you might have seen in e-commerce website, you are seeing a product and certain more images are at the bottom of the product that whenever you click, it comes up and gets highlighted. That can be made from product gallery. So before that, let's just see the preview of the product or whatever we have made. How is it looking? So in order to make a preview, we just need to simply click here, preview, and let's see how the product is looking. I'm pretty sure you might feel this appearance very similar to any e-commerce website. Let this just preview come. Right, now you can see the product is appearing. Now this product is appearing in front of me. We can see this is the product, and see the moment I am hovering the mouse over the image, the section is getting zoomed, and this is how generally you find it in e-commerce website. Now you can see out here this is on sale because it was of 1,000 rupees and I am selling it at 900 rupees. So the 1,000 is coming out to be striked out. This is the USP section that I have written at the bottom. So this I said it generally we used to write in bullets. This is 10 in stock that we have mentioned, and these are the categories. Men, under men, this is under t-shirt, this is the men's category, and these are the tags, and you can see the description of the product appearing out here. And even you are having an option of review, that if people can come down and they can share their reviews. So this was the complete simple product how to make and stuff. So let's just add a few images in the gallery and see how is it looking. So let me go back to the gallery option and just randomly add any 2-3 pictures so that we can see how is the images appearing when we are adding it into the gallery option. So I'm just selecting options like this as one of the image, and this as an image, right? And I'll select this as one of the image. So I've just randomly selected any of the images which is present on my website. And let's again see the preview. Now, earlier the product was appearing something like this, and moment I have added few of the sample products, those images will just come at the bottom out here. Right, now you can see the images are coming. I have added three images and this was one of the primary image. Suppose if I click on this, so you can see this image have just got slided in, and suppose I am clicking on this. So whatever image I am clicking, it is getting slided into the main frame, and that image is appearing as one of the product image. Even if you further you want to edit, you can see this section is appearing and not making the product as full page product. So if you want to remove this sidebar, you can see on this page it is appearing at page layout as sidebar. Simply click here, say no sidebar, and if you click on the preview, so this sidebar which is appearing right now, it would be removed and this entire product will be appearing in the full space. Now as you can see, the sidebar has removed. Now this product is appearing in full page. Now it is looking a bit better even from the earlier. So this was a complete simple product making process. So I hope you're clear with how to make a simple product with the help of WooCommerce, and I'm sure you can easily make a product even. And in the next video, we would be again understanding how to make a variable product and virtual product and downloadable and many other options which is present in WooCommerce. So let's just dive down to another video of digital marketing. So just let's dive down to another video where all the other updates are provided. Thank you.